Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Ford Focus generation MK3. This should cover years 2012 to 2018. And if you guys are trying to find the fuse for the electric power assist steering, we'll show you where that one is. As you know, this Ford Focus guys is equipped with electric power steering pump. Most of them will come that way. Some might come with the manual one, but not all of them. So when you open the hood, okay, doesn't matter which engine you have. Most of the times you can locate your power steering right there. That's a power steering assist pump. Now you need to open the hood, locate the fuse box, but before that let me introduce you that we'll have more than 200 videos on this car. So if you need help with anything guys, please subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below the description of the video, okay, and we'll try our best to make a video for your problem. That fuse box, there is a thing that you press in and you pull out. There is two clips here that you gently pull out like that. Okay, you can see on the back side you see the fuse numbers printed. They're printed on the fuse box, but they're a little bit confusing and hard to read sometimes. Sometimes the number is on the left, sometimes it's on the right side. So I'll recommend just to look at the cap like that, and this layout is the same as looking at this one. Okay, you can see two relays, then the fuses. So we need to locate fuse number 40, okay, and this one will be the top fuse right here. The second one from right to left. We'll use the fuse puller, okay, to remove the fuse. So all we have to do, watch now, spread it like that, go on top of the fuse, then push on the front and pull it out. Perfect guys, and this is your fuse. By looking at it, okay, you can tell if it's burnt on the inside 90% of the time, but we'll have a video how to test them. So please feel free to check out the video how to test the fuses. We're going to replace this one with a new one now. Okay, you can check out where we get all our parts, okay, and tools that we use in the description of the video below. Please check it out. Now, don't forget to install your fuse puller. Okay, that's very important part. Just get it in, okay, and place the cap until everything is locked. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.